Hi, I'm Jackson.
I'm Katara.
And I'm Wes, and we are the Faces of Manufacturing.
And this is our story.
So in 2009, I found myself in New York working for a gelato company doing production, and I really enjoyed the work there, thought it was a great creative outlet. Wes and I have been friends for about 30 years, and we'd always talked about doing something together as a business, but really had no idea what.
And I think, your experience, at least in New York, was something for me that was different, not anything that we were really exposed to in the Southeast, and that was great gelato. And, at first we kind of joked about, oh, maybe this is what we should do when we grow up, if you will. And then, before we knew it, we really looked around and said, nobody's making great craft gelato in the Southeast. Why not us? You have a unique skill set. And, I think I was ready to do something a little different than what I was doing. And, through our conversations and our conversations with Katara, we quit our jobs probably a little too early, and now we find ourselves here as a manufacturing company.
So we started off as a food truck company and then started to focus mainly on wholesale. We've since retired our food truck, and we just opened up our first retail location here at Pond City Market.
The bulk of our business for the first 2 years, maybe 3 years, was selling to restaurants. We did a lot of custom flavors for chefs locally. Atlanta's food scene has been booming, so it was great to tie into that. Then we transitioned. We got our pints into Whole Foods, which was a huge gift for us. And then recently,
we've been getting into more and more big box retailers and specialty stores throughout the region. Just a few months ago, we launched a program with Delta Airlines, so we're supplying a number of their flights out of Atlanta. So the last few months with Delta Airlines and Pond City Market have been very exciting for us.
The origin of our name was that we knew we wanted a Southern-inspired take on gelato to better introduce it to the South, and we wanted something that was fresh, natural, sweet, and a little bit nostalgic.
Yeah, we were having a hard time coming up with the right word. It took us a while, but one day I got a phone call from Jackson, picked up the phone and said, "Hey man, how's it going?" And he just said the word honeysuckle and hung up before I had a chance to respond. But I had the reaction that we want our customers to have. It was perfect. It sounded, it just gave us that feel that we want our brand to represent.
Part of being a Georgia-based company, we really pride ourselves on sourcing our stuff locally. We get our dairy from Southern Swiss Dairy, a Georgia-based farm. In addition to that, we really enjoy giving back to our local community. We give 5% of all our revenue from our retail shop back to the Atlanta Food Bank.
In addition to the work we do with the Community Food Bank, we also have a commitment to hire our kitchen staff from the 180 Kitchen, which is a program run through the City of Refuge, which is a local homeless shelter. They run a 12-week culinary program which prepares their graduates for life in the kitchen, and they do a great job, and we're happy to partner with them.
We make a good product, and if we can share that with the people in our community and also give back in some kind of way, really is rewarding.